In this video, we will discuss about how a laser beam welding machine works. What are the various components or parts of a laser beam welding machine? What purpose does the cam, CAD, and shielding gas serves for the laser beam to work? So without any further ado, let's get started. Laser beam welding is a fusion welding process in which two metal pieces are joined together by the use of laser as a heat source. The laser beam is used to focus on the two metal pieces to be joined. The heat produced by laser beams melts the material from the two metal pieces and fills the cavity. After solidification of the metal, strong weld is formed between the two metal pieces. Now we have the basic understanding of laser beam welding. Let's see the main parts or components of laser beam welding. First component is laser, which is one of the most important component of a laser beam welding machine. We use laser as a heat source to melt the workpieces and fuse them together. So laser is a device that is used to produce a heat for welding. These are the main components of the laser. Next component is power source. A high voltage power source is required. This power source is connected to the laser to produce a laser beam, which produces sufficient heat to melt the workpiece. Next component is CAM, which is another important component for laser beam welding machine. CAM stands for Computer Aided Manufacturing, which means in laser beam welding, the laser is integrated with the computers to perform the welding operation. All the controlling action during the welding process by laser is done with the help of CAM. Is it necessary to use CAM? Why CAM is important in laser beam welding? CAM is essential because compared to manually operated machines, CAM generally offers greater speed in producing components with increased accuracy and consistency every time. Well, not every time exactly. We need to calibrate periodically, like once a week or frequently. But it is way much better than operating the laser manually. And we never get same result if we operate the laser manually. So CAM speeds up the welding process to a greater extent significantly. Now the next component is CAD, which stands for Computer Aided Design. CAD is used to design the job for welding. With CAD, the welding can be done on the required path because every time we won't be having the requirement to weld in the same area. Like if we want to weld two metal pieces at different locations, we can use CAD to direct the laser beam in the required path to melt and weld the parts together. Here, computers are used to design the path of a workpiece as the welding is performed on it. And now let's talk about the shielding gas. A shielding gas may be used during the welding process. Why we use the shielding gas and what is the purpose of using shielding gas? The primary purpose of using shielding gas is to prevent exposure of the molten weld pool to oxygen, nitrogen, and hydrogen gases, which are present in the atmosphere. The reaction to these elements or these gases with the weld pool can create a variety of problems like porosity, which are holes within the weld bead. These holes make the welded joint weak and they can cause failures. And the shielding gas also prevents the excessive splatter, helps to prevent excessive splatter. Now let's see the working of a laser beam welding. First thing to do in laser beam welding process is to set the welding machine at a desired location. We need to position the laser beam welding machine in between the two metal pieces that we want to join together. After setting up the laser beam welding machine, a high voltage power supply is applied to the machine. This starts the flash lamps of the machine and it emits light photons. This energy of light photon is absorbed by the atoms of ruby crystal and electrons get excited to their higher energy level. When they return back to their ground state, or when the electrons return back to the lower energy state, they emit a photon of light. This light photon again stimulates the excited electrons of the atom and produces two photons. This process goes on, and we get a concentrated laser beam. This high concentrated laser beam is focused on a desired location of the two workpieces of the welding pieces together. To focus the laser beam on the required area where we want to weld, we need to use lens. Cam is used to control the motion of the laser and workpiece stable during the welding process. As the laser beam strikes the cavity between the two metal pieces, this high intense heat of the laser beam is enough to weld two workpieces. This intense heat melts the base metal from both the pieces and fuses them together as a single piece. After solidification, we get a strong weld, and this is how the laser beam works. Thanks for watching.